The global camera market is experiencing a profound identity crisis, and a sudden wave of supply chain leaks reveals that a massive tactical storm is brewing. For the past few years, the mainstream tech world has been completely obsessed with mainstream clinical perfection. Companies have flooded the market with highly predictable, heavily automated full-frame bodies that all look, feel, and shoot exactly the same. But while everyone else was busy racing toward identical consumer designs, a fiercely passionate subculture of purists, street photographers, and documentary filmmakers has been left in total darkness, watching their favorite classic instruments vanish from store shelves. But behind the closed doors of their engineering labs, Fujifilm has been quietly plotting a massive, high-stakes tactical ambush. They realize that the modern photographer doesn't just want a soulless, automated computer wrapped in a plastic shell. They want an organic, tactile, deeply immersive tool that bridges the gap between mechanical art and bleeding-edge digital horsepower. And that is exactly why the highly anticipated Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is currently causing massive panic and calculation across the entire industry. This isn't an incremental, yearly specification update. This is a total ground-up reinvention of the legendary flagship rangefinder. And the leaked hardware schematics suggest that Fujifilm is about to unleash a masterpiece that will permanently disrupt the premium camera market. If you are currently saving up for a standard mirrorless setup, or if you were thinking about paying astronomical scalper prices for a compact point-and-shoot, you need to freeze exactly where you are, because what is coming next changes everything. To truly understand why the X-Pro 4 is generating such intense friction and anticipation among creators, you have to look directly at the intense engineering paradox Fujifilm had to solve. The predecessor was one of the most polarizing cameras ever built. Famous for its hidden rear screen that actively forced photographers to stop chimping and look through the viewfinder. It was a beautiful philosophical statement, but it pushed away hybrid creators who demanded absolute utility. With the X-Pro 4, Fujifilm is completely shattering that limitation without sacrificing its artistic soul. The heart of this new rangefinder is a stunning 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, paired directly with their next-generation 5th-generation X processor architecture. This isn't just a basic resolution bump. This advanced sensor structure is engineered to extract microscopic levels of texture, tonal gradation, and organic color fidelity that heavily mimic the legendary look of medium-format film stock. We are talking about a pocketable, lightning-fast street camera that suddenly holds the raw resolution power to produce massive, gallery-grade exhibition prints with absolute clarity. But raw resolution becomes a liability if the camera suffers from physical camera shake. And this is where Fujifilm has pulled off a monumental engineering miracle. For years, the purist community believed it was physically impossible to cram a full in-body image stabilization mechanism into the ultra-slim, offset rangefinder profile of the X-Pro chassis without making the camera bulky and ruinously heavy. Fujifilm has completely shattered that design wall. The X-Pro 4 introduces a highly customized, ultra-compact 5-axis internal stabilization array that delivers an astonishing 7 to 8 stops of shake correction. This changes the physics of street photography fundamentally.